Many of the top earners today in hundreds of network marketing companies attribute their success to what I've taught them over the years. So I want to talk a few minutes about my personal coaching program and give you an overview of what you can expect should you have the desire for me to coach you and should I have enough time to add you to my schedule. I am passionate about the network marketing business model. And my mission in life is to help everyone with a strong desire to succeed in network marketing become a top earner. That has been the driving force of my digital courses. It's been the driving force of doing these boot camps and these workshops, because there is a vehicle for everyone to become financially independent, to build as large a business as they want with a relatively minimal cost. Now, I'm here to help you break free from every barrier that's holding you back in both social media and network marketing. And I do it personally, one-on-one with you. As a social networking pioneer and a former network marketing leader myself, over the years, my track record of developing 2 generations of 6, 7, and 8-figure income earners has become legendary for the people that know me. And I'm proud to say that I've helped transform the entire network marketing industry over the past 25 years from a belly-to-belly, face-to-face business to a virtual business. Sometimes in order to move forward from where you are to where you really want to be, you have to learn new things. Everyone's got blind spots. And that's where working with me as your personal coach can make all the difference. Initially, when I work with someone, the first thing we do is we're going to help you with your profile. We're going to help you fill in the blanks. We're going to help you open up your settings, make yourself visible to people. But more important to that, we're going to put the things in your profile that will resonate with the people who are your target audience. That's key. We're not going to sit back and wait for people to find you. We're going to be able to proactively go out, start connecting with people that will immediately accept you, immediately like you and respect you because of what we put in the profile. So initially, I'm going to interview you, find out all the things you've done, and we're going to adjust your Facebook and LinkedIn profiles accordingly, making sure that people can see all of these things. While I'm interviewing you, we're also going to identify where are you in your networking business today and what goals do you have? Where do you want to be at the end of 90 days? And we'll come up with a plan to help you achieve that goal. But we're going to go further than that. I'm going to ask you to provide me with the tools that you're using on your prospects. I'm going to say, Mary, treat me as a prospect. I'm interested in your business. What do you do? I'm going to review the exact process that you're using currently on your prospects. Our goal is going to not only help you become a master enroller. My goal is to train you to train people, to train you to build an organization. So we adjust your settings, we adjust your profile, we review exactly what you're going to do, all the tools that you're using to build your business. And we usually cover that in the first hour of coaching. Then I'm going to show you how to find the people based on their business experience, based on who they are, based on what they do. I'm going to show you how to search for people that you know in advance would make the best candidates for your business. Now, if you've been on Facebook for a while and you've been active, if you've been on LinkedIn for a while and you've been active, if you have a lot of connections on both of those websites, then you can experience very, very fast results. Because the people that you're connected with are going to be the first people that react and respond to what I'm going to show you how to do. Then we're going to show you how to go out and connect with new people, people that you don't know, people that you want to know based on who they are, based on what they do, and based on who they know. And then I'm going to write your messages. I'm going to write the first message that you're going to send to people. They're going to be different. They're going to be customized for you from the messages that we have in our scripts books, the messages that we go through with everybody in boot camp. We want to tailor this specifically to you. You'll have the first message. And when they respond back to you, we're going to give you the second message. And typically when you ask somebody what they do, they're going to come back and ask you what you do, and I'm going to help you craft an answer. Your homework assignment after our first coaching session is to reach out to 10, 15 people every day, send the first message. When they accept you, send the second message. So in our second session, I'm going to jump back into your accounts. We're going to look to see exactly what you did. I am going to be with you day by day, item by item, to ensure that you are doing all the right things. If you are shy, if you're an introvert, if you lack self-confidence in talking to people, I guarantee you that this is going to change that. Over the last 20 years, I've seen it happen thousands of times. I'm going to jump into your account and I'm going to go into your message area and you're going to watch me right back to the people that you have identified as a prospect. I'm going to show you how to identify the people that you want to continue to talk to, distinguish them from the people that you don't. And I'm going to show you why. We need to be reaching out to the right people. We need to be talking to people that you know have the potential to be candidates for your business. As soon as you realize they're not the people that are going to get into business with you, you have to stop talking to them. And I'm going to be with you there through the entire process. Most of the scripts that I've developed over the years in my scripts books, in my boot camps, and all of the things that I teach have been developed working with people just like you in unique situations, unique circumstances. And that's how we've developed all of the scripts that have been proven to continue to work for people for years. So as we help you develop your own set of scripts, your own unique searches, your own methods of sharing your business opportunity with others, every month, you're going to continue to get better. I'm going to find out from you in our private session exactly where do you want to go. And then I'm going to show you what it's going to take to get there. I have the experience, strategy, skills, and insights that will save you years of struggle and frustration. Rather than working blindly on your own through trial and error, I will provide you with a proven roadmap, and I will be there through the entire process. I'll show you what to say. I'll show you what not to say. And you'll watch me communicate with your prospects. After our third session, where you have been searching for people, making those connections, and I've been answering your prospects, we're going to develop a subset of scripts that you're going to feel confident using as you move forward, lining people up as potential candidates. Then, as the conversations move along, I'm going to show you how to introduce your business in a non-salesy way, to develop true relationships with these people, not in a trial and error basis. I'm going to save you the error. I wish I had the time to work with everyone at this level, but I don't. And so if you're qualified, and the biggest thing that I look for when I choose to work with someone in my coaching program is desire. Because where you're going to be in your business a year from now is going to be determined by the number of people you talk to, who those people know, and how you build a successful organization. That's why we hold boot camps. That's why once a quarter we have a top earner retreat where I share with you what the top earners in your business know, but they never talk about. Now, while my coaching program is all about 7 hours of working with me one-on-one, I put you in some additional training. I'll add you to 3 boot camps so that every month for 90 days, you have simple, easy access to me. I'll put you in a top earner retreat so you'll get that information and you'll be able to apply it to your daily activity, your weekly activity, and your monthly activity. So this is what personal coaching is all about. We're going to make sure that your profile is maximized to appeal to your target audience. If we have to, we're going to help you rewrite every section of your profile. We're going to craft your personal responses when prospects want to know what you do. And then I'm going to show you how to communicate with people. And while you watch, I am going to customize your responses, take you all the way up to introducing your business and how to close more sales. And then teach the people that you bring into your business how to do the same thing so that your business will grow faster. Working with me between our private sessions, you jump on a Ask Max session, which when you attend these, you'll watch me working with other coaching students. You'll watch me working with every prospect. I'm going to put you in 3 boot camps. I'm going to give you my Endless Free Leads home study course that you can use as a reference, but I'm going to teach you everything that is there. I'm going to give you our 90-day game plan so that you have a format for building a network marketing business. I'm going to give you advanced scripts. The most important part of coaching is I'm going to work with you through the entire process. I could go down a list of hundreds, probably thousands if I dig deep, of leaders in network marketing companies who learned precisely how to use social media, social networks to build their business. You don't need a blog. You don't need a website. You don't need a funnel. God knows you don't need to spend money on advertising, and you don't need to spend money on leads, because thanks to social networks like LinkedIn, Facebook, leads are free. Most of the people that I work with recoup their coaching fee within 30, 60, or 90 days, depending upon how much you make every time you make a sale. And working with me in my private coaching program, I'm limited to the number of folks that I work with. And I pour all of my energy, all of my enthusiasm into working with you, because you're different. You bring something different to the table. And I'm going to show you how to take your difference, make you shine, whether you're just getting started in network marketing, or you've been in it for a while and you're at a plateau and you want to take it up to the next level and you want to use social media to do it. At this moment, you are standing on the threshold of an amazing life. It's time to walk across that threshold and finally achieve your dreams of success in network marketing. So if you are interested in my personal coaching program, please write to support@maxsteingart.com, put in the headline coaching, provide us with your contact information, provide us with the links to your Facebook and LinkedIn profile pages if you have them. And one of my coaching concierges will reach out to you, we'll interview you, we'll find out precisely where you are, what you'd like to accomplish, so that in our first session, we can lay the groundwork, lay the foundation for you to day by day, week by week, month by month, advance in your company until you reach the top level. If you have the desire, the burning desire to go to the top of your business, I will be there to help you accomplish every one of those goals.